What is 1 billion in millions?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to discuss a simple yet fundamental topic in the world of mathematics, number conversions. Specifically, we're going to look at how to convert billions into millions. This might seem complex at first glance, but I assure you, it's as easy as pie once you know the method.
What is a billion?
First things first, what exactly is a billion? Well, in terms of numerical value, a billion is a 1 followed by 9 zeros, 1 billion. It's quite a large number, isn't it?
And a million?
Now let's take a look at a million. This is a smaller number but still a significant one. A million is a 1 followed by 6 zeros, 1 million.
Converting billions to millions.
Now, here's the fun part, converting billions to millions. If we observe closely, we can notice that a billion has 3 more zeros than a million. Therefore, we can say that 1 billion is actually 1,000 millions. How did we get this? Well, remember that 3 extra zeros? Each zero represents a multiplication factor of 10. So, 3 zeros correspond to 10 by 10 by 10, which equals 1,000. Therefore, when converting billions to millions, we multiply by 1,000. So, 1 billion equals 1,000 million. And there you have it. Converting billions to millions isn't too difficult once you understand the logic behind it. Just remember that each zero represents a multiplication factor of 10, and you'll never be confused again. I hope this video has helped clarify how to convert billions into millions. Thanks for tuning in.